Hi, I'm Lela Kelly from Dosatron International and Dilution Solutions. Today I'd like to go over some options that we offer for spray bottles and pump-up sprayers and even a portable 1.5 gallon sprayer. But today we're using the Sanitate 5.0 to disinfect for the COVID-19 virus, but you may choose to use something like a quat or a chlorine solution to do the same thing. The Dosatron will automatically mix it so that you can just fill your bottles and spray to disinfect. So right now, I'm going to be filling this little handheld spray bottle with the Dosatron, with the spray nozzle. So you'll notice that the Dosatron will pull up your chemistry, mix it with water, and then you can fill your bottles quickly and easily. Once they're filled, put on your spray nozzle and you're ready to go. In this case, we have our pump-up sprayer. With the pump-up sprayer, you have to release the pressure in there first. In order to fill it, you'd unscrew the top, you'd fill the container, and then you take it and pump it up about 20-25 times according to the manufacturer's directions. You'll feel the resistance on it and you're good to go. You're only going to fill it about 3/4 of the way up. And now we're just spraying down a cart. And this would be great for garden centers or any place that you want to make customers feel, or employees feel safe because you've sprayed and taken away any infection. Now I'd like to talk about our portable 1.25 gallon sprayer. Very easy to use. You're going to fill it with pre-mixed chemistry that has gone through the Dosatron. You fill it up to the 1.25 gallon mark. You make sure that you pressurize it, lock it in, and that's where your handle is. And now you're going to take your spray nozzle and spray surfaces. Now the nozzle will cover quite a bit of area. You can do carts. Garden centers will be perfect for their carts. Get over here and do the handles. And it allows you to take it wherever you need to go. It will even spray upside down. Get underneath everywhere. I'm Lela Kelly. Thanks for listening.